Long overdue, but we are back with a home renovation project. One of the things that we push back, I guess, on our agenda is the stairway. The stairway technically is not done, it's actually imperfect, and now that we have some time, we want to finish by adding more trim as well as the finial to all of the posts that are empty. In order to create the trim between the two finial or the two circle dot, we're going to go downstairs. Chris is going to be using this machine that I purchased at iWork. You can also find it at Roxwell. For this project, you will need a sawhorse. This is the Pegasus folding work table and sawhorse. As you can see, it is currently on sale right now, so you do want to check it out. And the machine that we set on top of the workhorse is called the 15 amp 10-inch slider miter saw with laser. He's now securing the saw to the workhorse with the bar clamp. I've also listed that down below. If you don't want to spend $219 on this machine, you can also check out the Blade Runner portable tabletop saw on warx.com. The Pegasus table is really easy to use, it's really reliable, and when I'm done I just fold it up and put it in a corner so it doesn't take up very much room. This is the trim that we decided to buy. It matches our stair the most. After Chris has measured out each section that this will go on, he just cut it based on the angle and then nail it in with the nail gun. Obviously, you guys don't see anything wrong with not putting this piece on, but to me, Chris and I are a very detailed creature, and this is how you're supposed to do it. This is how it's supposed to look like. So it really annoyed us, like, for the past year that we couldn't do what we really wanted because we're super busy, and now that we finally have some time, we decided just to finish pieces or part of the house that we really dislike. Now that we're almost done with the trim, we're going to next work on the finial. The finial is the end cap, I guess, and Chris didn't really like the way this looked before, and so he decided to cut into the wood and slice the finial in half just so it'll fit onto the wall. So voila, this is done. It looks so much better with the trim. I know it's very minimal, but Chris and I are attention to detail kind of people. And on top of that, continuing with our renovation, we actually sold all of our older furniture on Facebook Market. We are currently renovating our living room into a more modern, cool look, so I'll be changing out all the furniture. As you can see, my dining room has already changed. I will list everything that I purchased online as well as pieces that look kind of like what I purchased in store, so that if you guys want to renovate your house, you can also. So this is before, and we kind of took off the console. As you can see, it's that brown piece right there, and now there's this big wire mess, but that's because I already purchased another console, the TV console, that I think will match better for the theme that I'm going for. And this is a table that we got in store. I will try to find something online for you guys. And we purchased this mirror also in store, and we moved certain furniture pieces around. We got brand new custom designed couches, and as you can see, the house looks so much more different, even like this. Hi baby.
Quay lại thế mẹ nhìn chỗ. Vỗ tay một con đi, vỗ tay đi. Vỗ tay, vỗ tay, vỗ tay. Nhìn đi đấy, nhìn quán tiếng nhà cửa này. Ô giơ tay rồi. Ô cái đầu cô, ô giỏi quá, giỏi quá. Giỏi thì high five ra ngoài, high five ra ngoài.
High five, can you do high five? Bé high five đi, high five đi. High five, high five. What? You want to play? I also went ahead and went shopping for extra Christmas decor at HomeGood, TJ Maxx, and Marshall. We found this amazing chandelier at one of the stores in Quincy, and so you already know I'm going to have to change this old look that we got at Home Depot out because I just hate it. It was something we picked out last minute, and now we're going to change it. So Chris is currently putting the chandelier together as we speak. I did found a few replacement or look-alike pieces. If you don't want to spend as much money as I do on a chandelier, I will pretty much list all of that down below. Okay, so the furniture pieces that we now own are more on the pricier end. I've tried very hard to find pieces that kind of look alike. However, I can't guarantee that these pieces that I've listed down below are going to be the same high quality that we have. So if you're someone who wants the high quality product, I have listed the store that I purchased this in as well as the original designer. If you want customized pieces such as the dining room table and the couch or the coffee table, you do have to wait 6 to 12 weeks for them because they are flown in from Italy and Sweden. The chandelier itself is a conversation starter. However, my favorite part is when it's lit up, you can see this picture that I guess like a woodsy icicle look that they have on the ceiling. And of course, with Christmas around the corner, I have to start decorating the house. This is something that I had that was year-round. I decided to make it more festive by adding these cinnamon scented pine cones that I purchased at Stop & Shop. Honestly, you can get this anywhere. It makes the house smell good. You can even add a little bit of light to this and bam, it's done. It's Christmassy. It's perfect. And with the new baby on the way, we need more space and our room is going to change. So I'm moving my workstation and my vanity desk upstairs to the 3rd floor. This is where Kate will be now because she kind of want to sleep together. So I put her next to the bed and I put Kara crib on the opposite end. Since Kara won't be using it yet, we kept it as a day bed. So this will be where this bed will be for now. Obviously we're going to move everything to another room when the girls are a little bit older. As for my vanity renovation, you'll have to watch episode 23 for that. So I got another Dyson. And some more stuff at Bed Bath & Beyond. And my impression vanity came. So definitely going to be doing a new vanity tour very soon. We don't really like having boxes laying around, so he's going to take it apart and put the pieces together first, and then we'll move it upstairs to the vanity just so we can clear out our living room space. I purchased the Slay Station Pro 2.0 tabletop and glow Pro vanity mirror and drawer unit bundle, and I got it in the color brightest white, the 6 drawer with the clear LED globe light in cool white, as well as 2 Slay Station 9 drawer makeup vanity storage unit in the color bright white. And here is my order. I actually got a discount during one of this Black Friday sale. The other order that I placed was for all of the drawer organizers that I would need. And unlike other gurus, since I bought my own product, I will tell you now that it is not worth it. After 2 weeks went by, I actually had to contact them and ask them where the heck my order was because it was guaranteed to come to me within 7 days. And I didn't get a reply at all, and I had to message them on all social media. And then I think the only reason why they replied to me was because I pretty much wrote them a really nasty message and told them who I was, when they realized I was a guru and that I pretty much can really ruin their company by being honest about it. Unlike all the other guru who pretty much get this sponsor to them, they actually replied to me and was so apologetic and trying to kiss my butt. I'm gonna tell you now, if you're gonna spend a little bit over $1,700 on a vanity set, do not order from them. If you're going to spend this much money already, buy elsewhere. Because as you can see, most of my corners are chipped, and if you're gonna spend that much money, you should like everything that you buy. And the only reason why I'm sticking with it and not making a big deal, as well as I'm not returning, is because you would have to pay for the return shipping and it takes forever to get a refund. So read up on this company because they are a scam. As for me, I'm going to take this as lesson learned. I will never order from this company ever again. So that vanity was a part of my Christmas present from my husband, so that's why I was kind of disappointed. Let this be a warning to you guys, because though $2,000 is nothing to me, I know that $2,000 is a lot for my follower and my viewers, and I don't want you guys to spend stupid money. Hi. The good part is my perfume came. And it's amazing. I hate doing negative review. I hate talking smack about a company, but it just has to be said. Anyways, Merry Christmas. Moving on, guys, to a more positive part of my life. Hi, do you like that? Can I have one? You like it? You trying to take it off of Mama? It's so nice of you.
I see we are once again.
Good girl. Yeah. Aww. As for the rest of the house, it's very much Christmas out. If you haven't yet, check out my Instagram, my Snapchat. I've listed this on the video. Go ahead and check it out. Good morning, and today we're gonna be organizing my vanity. My husband was so sweet. He set it up for me. It took 2 days because both our schedules are wicked busy, and we don't usually get to work on our personal thing till after work, which is like 5 p.m. and so it really depends on like Kate. If she's being good and she let us work on things that we want to, then we get more things done. If she doesn't, then we kind of just break up the work and just do as much as we can. But it took Chris 2 days and he finally finished, and so now it's my turn to kind of clean up that room. This part was quite long. I decided to film it for my episode 26, my vanity renovation. So in a few more episodes, you'll get to watch this episode on how I arrange my my makeup, as well as how I store things, where it goes, and just ideas and tips. So don't forget to turn on your notification bell for all the new video that will be coming out. For these shelves, it is 42 inch. We got it at Home Depot. We're going to go ahead and put this on my vanity. In my vision, this is where I want to put my perfume, because I actually have such a large collection that I kind of want to put it somewhere. And you'll see more on the unboxing of this amazing little mattress for my bedroom. Of course, my bedroom is the next renovation video, so you'll have to check that out too. So yeah. Of course, I'm just showing you snippets and snippets and snippet, and I hope you guys get excited. Turn on your notification so that you'll know when a new video is coming out. I plan to upload a house renovation once a week, so see you next week for the next housing renovation project. And voila, let's nail everything down. And I'm going to clean up, and this is the cleanup look version, and obviously it is not done, but for now this is all I'm going to show you. As for the rest of the holiday, happy holiday you guys. I don't know when to upload this video. If it's late, then Happy New Year, stay safe. This is how I spent my holiday pretty much. We wrapped the presents, and Chris spent a lot of his time just putting together pieces that I purchased for the girls. Since the girls are spoiled by their aunts and uncle with so much toys, we actually are working on a toy room for the girls, so definitely have to watch out for that in another housing episode. If you're interested in my holiday as well as spending the holiday with the Mac sisters, go ahead and drop me a comment down below requesting a holiday video. Nó mới dậy, nó dậy đó. Katie baby, you wanna get Katie baby? My most favorite part about the holiday is spending time with the family, and of course me being the queen of being extra. Of course, this is my hot chocolate station, which everybody loves, and I've become quite good at making hot chocolate. So if you would like a few of my recipe, go ahead and drop me a comment requesting that down below. But that's pretty much the end of my video. I'm going to go and unbox all of these amazing presents with my family. I hope you have a nice, safe holiday and lots and lots and lots of love. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber and a part of our family. Lots and lots of love. XOXO Shantae. Once again, if you haven't yet, go ahead and check workx.com out. They have so many products available. Cho nó tập xá.
Đây, cái này con gửi cho con này.
Rồi Quốc Xuân.
Con gửi cho hai chị em này, gửi ông ngoại mang qua. Wow. Kẹp cứng ngắc rồi ông ngoại không dám mở ra nữa. Đó, mở đi.
She has snowshoes now, baby Uggs. Yeah, put it on for her. Fancy! Look at your fancy shoes! It matched with your white boxy outfit.
Everyone knows that every birthday is to still 3 times.